Watch how quickly this day goes from bad to worse. These robbers come in and just lean over the counter and start shooting, and the clerks just split up. One clerk goes to the corner, doesn't have much cover at all, looks like he might be taking some rounds. The other clerk gets around the edge of the counter, but he doesn't have his gun. Rule number one in a gunfight, have a gun, right? You can see he has to reach back under the counter and grab his gun, and then he starts shooting at one of the bad guys from his position of cover. He's just shooting right through. Basically, it's not cover if he's shooting through it. It's only concealment. But the bad guy can't see where the bullets are coming from. He kind of panics and heads for the door. And the other guy, he's still busy looking for his loot. Doesn't notice that there's some gunfire going on in the area when our hero, the good guy, leans out and probably not the best target isolation, but takes another shot at the bad guy. And you see this guy just get over the counter and get out of there. Couple things going on in this video. First and foremost, have your gun with you at all times. If you have a firearm for self-defense and you are more than 2 seconds away from it, you are unarmed. This guy was unarmed when this gunfight started, and look how quickly it happened. Guys just came in, lean over the counter, and start throwing shots all over the place. The second point, we get back to the caliber debate. Nobody in this entire gunfight was stopping to ask what caliber people were shooting at him. Looks like that clerk grabbed a tiny little automatic pistol, maybe even a .380. And when he fired at the guy, the man didn't say, "You're just shooting at me with a .380. He got out of there. Incoming rounds, regardless of caliber, have the right of way. We're not going to debate about which caliber works best because none of them are perfect. So whatever gun you find comfortable to carry with you every day and have on you when the gunfight starts is going to be the gun you will use to win that gunfight. And now, think about the use of cover and where you're going to go when a gunfight starts. The one poor guy didn't have any place to go. He just kind of ducked down in the corner while the bad guy's shooting at him. The other guy was able to get around the corner and use that as pretty good concealment or maybe cover, but he still had to come back out, get his gun, and then try to engage the bad guy through the barrier that was in front of him. Wasn't the best, but it did work. The bad guys were driven away. Don't know if they got away with anything or not, but at least one good guy didn't get shot in this gunfight. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. Remember, gunfights happen quickly. Have your gun with you when you need it. And I don't care what caliber it is. Any caliber of firearm will help to stop a gunfight. Leave some comments down below. Let's talk about what went right and what went wrong in this gunfight. Remember, like and share this all over the place. Share it with all your friends. We want everyone to see this. We'll see you next week.